Hi, I'm Bree Pettis.
Hi, I'm Adam Mayer.
And I'm Zach Hoken.
And together we are
Team Makerbot!
Makerbot Industries! Ha! And we're really excited. Why are we excited?
Because we're creating things! And then they're creating things!
Our robot is roboting.
Right now, what's happening, as we are talking to you, our first generation Makerbot, the first Makerbot to ever spit anything out, is currently spitting something out. By that, I mean it's using the extruder, this thermoplastic...
The plastruder.
What was that?
The plastruder.
It's smushing out plastic, kind of like it's like spaghetti, but super, super thin and laying down layers.
You just gotta see it.
Yeah, let's show it to you. So here's the dodecahedron, all finished. This Makerbot is so satisfying.